Hello friends, I am Vaibhav Markar and today's date is 9th December 2021. Today I have discussed why string is immutable or finally in Java. So in object-oriented programming language, the immutable string or object that cannot be modified once it is string object that cannot be modified once it is created, but we can only change the reference to the object. We restrict to change. We restrict to change the reference to the object. We restrict to change the object itself. The string is immutable in Java because of the security, synchronization, and concurrency, caching, and class loading. The reason of making string final is to destroy the immutability and to now allow other to extend it. The string object are cached in the string pool and it makes the string immutable. The cached string literal are accessed by multiple clients. So there is always a risk where action performed by one client affects all other clients. For example, if one client performs an action and changes the string value from pressure to pressure, and all remaining clients will also read that value. For the performance reason, catching of a string object was important. So to remove that risk, we have to make string is immutable. There are some reasons for making string is immutable. So first one, the string pool cannot be possible. If string is immutable in Java, a lot of if spaces is saved by GRE. The same string variable can be referred to by more than one string variable in the pool. String interning can also not be possible if the string would not be immutable. Second, if we don't make the string is immutable, it will pose a serious security threat to the application. For example, database username, password are passed as strings to receive database connections. The socket programming, host, and port descriptions are also passed at string. The string is immutable, so its value cannot be changed. If the string does not remains immutable, any hacker can cause a security issue in the application by changing the reference value. The string is safe for multi-threading because its immutableness. Different threads can access a single string instance. It removes the synchronization for thread safety because we make a string thread and safe implicity. Third one is immutability gives the security of loading the correct class by class loader. For example, suppose we have an instance where we try to load java.sql.connections class, but the changes in the referenced value to the myhacked.connections class does unwanted things to our database. Let us the concept of immutable through an example. String new string equal to double quote hello world, and second string is new string dot concat in double quote word. So system dot out dot println new string. So description, we can understand above example with the help of diagram. In the string constant pool, the hello remains unchanged, and a new string object is created with the hello word. It shows that the strings are immutable, and the reference variable points to the hello word. Thank you.